Fox 28. Good Day Columbus starts now.
All right, so want to look years younger in an instant? Coming up next, a new procedure to lessen wrinkles, and it's pain-free. You'll see it all happen live.
It's supposed to work like that, so we'll see.
Coming up, a new procedure promises to lessen the appearance of wrinkles instantly and pain-free. Coming up on Fox 28, a doctor and patient are both here to perform the procedure live, so you can see these results for yourself.
Procedure, because it's new, it's relatively new.
Right. Yeah, this is the same formulation of Juvederm, which is hyaluronic acid, and now it has actually a numbing agent in it, so it's lidocaine, which is FDA approved, and patients generally don't feel it going in now.
So it's less painful, which helps. All right, so let's see it, because we want to see the results, and it happens instantly. So we're going to do this procedure on her. If you are scared of needles, you may want to look away just for a moment. We'll tell you when to look back, so we can show you the results, because I have a feeling it's going to be quite amazing, although she's quite beautiful without it. All right, so we're going to let him go ahead and do this, and I'm going to turn away, actually. Tammy, how does it feel? Does it hurt? I guess we'll wait till you are done. And she's getting it done right above the lip there, in an area that a lot of women seem to have problems with as we age. So, could you explain what exactly you're doing right now, doctor?
Yeah, this the Juvederm actually goes in the mid to deep skin, under the area that's wrinkled or hollowed.
Okay.
It tends to hydrate the skin, give it a little more volume.
Okay.
So, where people typically develop wrinkles or hollows in their face, this gives them an edge up and helps them look a little younger. Again, this injection is fairly painless.
Okay.
And
how much does something like this cost?
This procedure here is about $500.
Okay, and it lasts for how long? Would someone have to do it several times a year, or?
Lasts about a year.
Oh.
But when one compares that to the price of a surgical correction, often this is very favorable.
Love it. So, does it take about, would you say, 5 minutes per area to do, or just a minute? I mean, you're almost done with that side? Almost.
I like to go from side to side just to make sure that both sides look exactly the same and symmetric.
Now, could she just go right back to work after this? I mean, it's not going to make her face irritated, or?
She can go back to work, yes.
Okay.
Typically there's just a small amount of bruising at times.
Okay.
She may have a little bit of spotting that lasts a couple of seconds, but other than that, it's over.
Okay, so blink once if this is not hurting. Okay. So it doesn't hurt at all. And she's actually had this done once before in a different area of her face, and she said she loves it. She definitely recommends it. And you really can see the results right after putting this injection in. Compare this to Botox, can you?
Yeah, Botox is an agent that actually relaxes the muscles.
Okay.
So it helps to prevent the wrinkle from forming in the first place.
Okay.
Once the fold is already established and there's a crease, then it usually requires a filler to fill it out.
Okay.
Juvederm, Restylane, these are fillers, and the action is somewhat different than Botox.
Okay. Would you recommend one, or I guess they're just, it depends?
They're complementary.
Yeah.
Tammy has had some Botox here in the forehead and between the eyes, and that helps to smooth those areas.
Okay.
And then she's using the filler to fill the areas which can't be improved by Botox.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Can we go close up maybe and take a before and after? We do have a before picture of her, so if we can, we'll show that. And after, I know it's so hard to see from this camera angle, but you look amazing. And of course, over the next few minutes, it will plump more. Now, one question, because this is just a personal question, it doesn't make you look more heavy, right? It doesn't like plump you up to make your cheeks bigger. I already have puffy cheeks.
Correct. Yeah, a word of caution, just some people will go to a mall or someplace where someone's not necessarily qualified or credentialed to do this kind of thing. So it is difficult if you put it in the wrong spot.
Okay.
If it goes out in the cheeks, you can have sort of that chipmunk effect.
Okay.
So you definitely need someone who knows the anatomy, who's comfortable with the procedure to put it in the right place so it doesn't have that undesired effect.
All right, how do you feel?
felt fine.
Great. She feels awesome, and she looks great too, with or without that stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, both of you, and for being a good champ in there. For more information about the procedure, we've put a link on our website. Go to myfox28columbus.com and click on News Links. Over to you guys.
All right, Amy, right here.
No,
Smile
you don't need
lines.
it either, Lisa.
I'll be over in a minute. All right.